Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I'm here to give you an overview and a review of this here XRX mini handheld wireless vacuum. Look at that. Pretty cool. I assure you, in this video, I'm going to answer all the potential questions you might have about this vacuum. And this company reached out to me and they said, Ryan, can you do one of your super cool detailed overview reviews of our vacuum? Who might I say no? And no way, positively or negatively, is this being provided to me, let's just say, affecting my review. I'm just going to keep it real. So here it is. Two things I want to say right out the gate that I was already impressed with this is that it, one, comes with a, let's call it a charging dock. The charging dock looks like this. It has a wire. It does come, a lot of things come these days with the actual brick part here. That's what I call it, the power brick. It does come with the cord, USB-C. This comes on and off. It does come with this. So when it is in here like this, it is a charging. So you put this on your counter, put it wherever you want, nice and neat, out of the way, and then you just whoosh, take it and you're off to the races. Suck it up, whatever you need to suck. There's the two tabs that kind of link up with these two spots right here on the back. Very cool. It does come with a couple attachments. This little attachment right here that does have a brush on it, so you can either pull out of the way and just do your suckage directly from that, or you can use the brush that rotates out up into place. Kind of cool because it's all connected, you can't lose anything. It also comes with a cleaning device for getting into the little crevices, and more importantly, if you want to clean the actual vacuum. Pretty cool. It does also come, which I was also impressed, it does come because this is a vacuum that has a filter. Well, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 10 total of these little filters. I'm gonna share how all this works. And so pretty simple. You press it on and you can feel the suckage going on. The attachment goes right in there. So if you're trying to like get into something, that is what that's for. Like a, oh, it's got, see that, 1, 2. So 2, actually I didn't even know that because I was only using the first setting when I was testing this thing out. So it's got 2 suction modes on it. So high and higher, I guess. LED illuminates that, as you can see. Pretty cool. You can also charge it if you don't use the dock directly right there. Just plug it in and you're good to go charging it. Very easy to clean. You just pull this apart. There's just 2 little buttons right here. And then you'll have this little container here. All you do is you just pull this out. All the goodies that you just sucked up are in here and you just shake it out and you're done. You put this back on and you're good to go. Now, how easy is it to change the filters? Because some of these things are like high tech and you can't get into them and it's like a big pain. You gotta be a rocket scientist to get it. These are not the case. Pretty simple. You just have this part right here, this little ring. That comes off, just like this. And then this filter, this little thing, that's it. And then you take your new one, like this. You open up into a cone shape. So you take your new thing and you just slide it on top like that. Pretty simple. You match it up. You put on your little trim ring. It snaps into place. I mean, you can see it takes all of about a couple seconds. And then you line it up with how this is configured with the arrows. That's it. And you are back in business with a fresh filter and you've emptied it out. I will say, just holding this thing and the suckage power and all that, it does definitely suck up what you need to suck up. As you can see here in the video, I'm actually sucking up here some kibbled dog food. So you can see it picks up stuff that's got some weight to it. So if you're looking for a very lightweight, convenient, easy to use, easy to charge, and it comes with, this was pretty cool because not a lot of things come with these and you're like, how do I fix this stuff? This just might be the mini wireless vacuum for you. Hope this helps and we'll talk to you soon.